Hello. We are going to begin our conversation about redefining the role of principals as leaders of leaders. For this conversation, you'll want to have your principal tool out and ready. To follow along, you may want to scroll to the table of contents as we discuss the assessment. Click on section 6 and it will take you directly to the capabilities that we are going to discuss. You will use in this conversation a Blendspace that will have all of the resources you need to carry out this work. You'll notice that there are PowerPoints, there are videos in some cases, and other resources that are available for you in the conversation and assessment. We'll begin by looking at the role of the principal through the 3 capacities: create a focus on the future, engage student and staff, and aligning resources. We will not attend to all of the capabilities within each of the capacities, but rather we'll focus on one capability per capacity. For example, in capacity 1, we will focus on the principals creating a focus on the future. And the capability that we'll attend to is capability number 4, which discusses gathering demographic information. You'll go through a series of slides that have information and then create a chart about a conversation that you would need to have. After completing that, we'll share the charts, and then you will complete the first part of your self-assessment. Individually, you'll look at the capabilities and you'll determine which statement is most like what you do in your role of a principal. All of the answers are correct. There are no wrong answers, but we do want you to choose the color that most closely describes your current situation. You'll take that colored dot on your table and place it next to the capability on the group chart, and then begin the next section. The second capacity is the principals ensure student and staff engagement. Here, you'll begin to brainstorm questions, what if, to help you think differently through the 6 critical systems. Again, after you complete that section, there's a video to watch. You will complete the self-assessment. The final section, capacity 3, discusses principals aligning resources flexibly. In this capacity, we'll discuss capability number 2, thinking about a student as a primary customer for quality work designed by students. Again, once you complete that conversation and participate in a protocol, you will self-assess and place your selected dot on the group chart.